we detected an unusual trade worth $3.3 million on GoPro stock, ticker symbol GPRO. And so in this video, we'll analyze this unusual option activity to find out if this wealthy investor is bullish and buying or bearish and selling. Because as we all know, the rich have more access to exclusive research and information to make better, smarter financial decisions. This is how smart money always seems to be one step ahead, well before the rest of the market catches on. No wonder the rich get richer. And so without further ado, let's dive into our analysis so that our subscribers and members can profit from this deep knowledge too. And so as we can see here on the options time and sales tape, nothing really stands out. But if we filter out the other expiration dates and focus in on the April 17 options 2026, we can see that on August 25th, multiple trades happened for these April 17 options at the two strike calls, hundreds of contracts for a price of about $60 each. Keep in mind, this shows options prices, and since one option controls 100 shares of stock, to get the dollar value, we either multiply by 100 or simply move the decimal 2 places to the right. That's why 0.60 for the option prices equals $60. And so to estimate the cost of this unusual option activity, we multiply this price by the total number of contracts. And so how many contracts were actually traded? Well, let's dive deeper into the data because it wasn't just these few hundred contracts. We can see here on the historical data on August 25th, when this unusual option activity happened, we can see that the April 17 options here at the two strike calls, we had a total of 66,000 contracts were being traded, spiking the volume much higher than the open interest of only 66 open contracts. But let's take a look at the updated data to find out how many are actually still opened, because some of those could have been day trades. And we can see here at the two strike calls, we have 55,000 open contracts now. So we can calculate the cost of this unusual option activity, 55,000 multiplied by the $60 that was paid for these options, and that equals a total trade cost of $3.3 million. But keep in mind, just because a trade is large does not necessarily mean it has a high probability of success. In fact, this trade carries higher risk than the smaller, more selective trades that we share on our website. And so if you want to get access to the lower risk trades with a higher probability of profit, then go to our website. We'll put a link up here. Keep in mind that our members also get earlier access to trades like this before anyone else, even before we share it publicly. And so if you're tired of being late and want more time to act on these opportunities, then just head over to our website where you can see exactly when and which stocks wealthy investors are trading on Wall Street so that you can have the same opportunities as the rich. Because if the rich get richer, why shouldn't you? Now, with that said, even though this trade carries higher risk, we still traded it, but we use position sizing to manage our risk. As you can see here at the two strike calls, POS stands for our position and the green color indicates a buy position. Because based on our deep research and analysis of multiple variables and data sets, this wealthy investor bought these two strike calls for about $60 each, as we saw on the options time and sales tape. And so when we analyze this trade, we can see here on the risk profile graph where the profit or loss shows up here, and the x-axis represents the share price of the stock, which is currently trading over here, and the y-axis represents the profit or loss. Note the zero break-even line over here. And so when the stock moves down, you can see that this trade becomes more negative, more loss. And if the stock goes up, this trade becomes more positive, more profitable, because it's going long bullish on GoPro stock. And we can confirm it on the options Greeks. We can see here that this trade has a positive delta, which means it's positioned long and bullish. If it was a short bearish trade, we would see a negative delta instead. But keep in mind the risk with this trade. It has a negative theta, which means that it loses value over time. And that is why you can see here the purple line drops down lower to the blue line as we approach the option's expiration date. And because of this, the break even on this trade moves higher as time goes on. And so you can see here, even though the call options we bought have a strike price of $2, the stock needs to trade above $2.60 for this trade to be profitable at expiration. Because of this added risk, along with other factors, we only took a small position in this trade. We don't invest a lot of capital into these higher risk trades. Instead, we focus most of our capital on lower risk, higher probability of profit trades, the kind of trades we share on our website. If you want access to those, we'll put a link to our website here, where you can also learn more strategies to boost your profits. Let us know in the comments. Do you think GoPro stock will move higher or drop lower? As always, please like, subscribe, and until next time, let's keep tracking the trades of the rich so everyday investors can profit too. Take care and have a wonderful day.